Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to change the temperature on the weather app on your iPhone to Fahrenheit or Celsius. So let's get started. First of all, open the weather app on your iPhone, or you can simply search it from the search bar. Go in the app, then swipe down to see your weather option. Okay, to change the temperature unit, tap the three dots at the top of your screen or in the bottom, tap on it here. Then now you can choose between Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you select Celsius, it will update immediately. If you want to change it back to Fahrenheit, just tap the three dots again and switch it and change the Fahrenheit from the section. If you also want to change the temperature for other apps on your phone, I will show this in the other video. So that's it. I hope this helps. If it did, consider liking and subscribing for more videos for iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.